Want to ensure a smooth post-payment experience? Paymattic confirmation settings. The ultimate guide is here. In this video, I'll show you how to craft customized confirmation and receipts, keeping your users informed and engaged. Let's get started. Alright, so here I am in my Paymattic dashboard. Let's find the form I want to edit. Alright, so here we go. This donation form could use a more personalized confirmation message. See this little settings icon? This is where the magic happens. Perfect. Now we're in the form settings. All right, here's the star of the show, the form confirmation settings section. This lets us control how that confirmation message appears after someone submits the form. First things first, the confirmation type. This lets us choose how the message is displayed. Here, we have a few options. Let's go with the same page for now. A quick and easy way to show the message right after the form submission. We can also add media and insert link in the message. We have the full liberty of customizing the message with tons of options. We can even choose to customize this by text instead of visuals if you want from here. Alright, so with same page selected, the confirmation message will appear right here on the same page after someone donates. But what if we want to send them to a dedicated confirmation page with more details? This option lets us redirect users to a separate confirmation page we create. For example, I could redirect them to a page that thanks them for their donation. This will also provide more information about how their contribution will be used. And lastly, this to a custom URL option gives us ultimate control. We can actually build a custom URL that displays the message based on specific form details. This is great for personalized messages. And to top it all off, we get to decide what happens after the form has been submitted. I'll just hide the form for now. Let's see what we can do with the receipts now. I'll change the header here. You can add media to make it look unique. I'm going to skip that for now. And let's leave this with the default value. You'll see additional option here as per your settings. I only have reCAPTCHA and turnstile as I have them configured. Okay, time to save our customization. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings later. So there you have it. We've unlocked the secrets of Paymattic's form confirmation settings. Now you can craft those perfect confirmation messages that keep your customers informed and engaged.